Hello everyone, I am Surendra Jain, Master Teacher in Vedantu. We are discussing paper of KVPY 2020 SX stream. This is question number 5 of part 2 from the topic solutions of triangle. In a triangle ABC, the angle bisector BD of angle B intersect AC in D. Suppose BC is 2, CD is 1 and BD is equal to 3 upon root 2. Then the perimeter of triangle ABC is. And we are given 4 options. To solve this question, let us first write these lengths which are given to us. BC length is 2, which is also equal to small a, side opposite to capital A. CD is 1, so this AD length can be written as B minus 1. So that AC complete length is B opposite to this vertex B. And similarly BD we are given as 3 upon root 2. Now, I am going to do two things in this question. Number one, that angle bisector BD should divide the side AC in the ratio of sides AB and BC, and this AB side is C. Okay, so I can write this B minus 1 upon 1 to be equal to C upon 2. So this is my equation number 1. Now I am going to use cosine rule for this angle C for the triangle BDC and BAC, and then I will equate them. So here we can write cos of C to be equal to, in smaller triangle it will be 1 plus 4 minus 9 upon 2 upon 1 into 2 into 2, so 4 here, and in the bigger triangle it will be B square plus 4 minus C square whole divided by, it will be 4B. Okay, now let us equate these two terms. 4 will be cancelled and we will get B into 1 upon 2 is equal to, it will be B square plus 4 minus, let me write C as 2 times B minus 1. So C square will be 4 times B minus 1 whole square, and this will be B square plus 4 minus 4 common, B square plus 1 minus 2B. So we can see this 4 will be cancelled, constant term will be cancelled, and we will be having minus 3B square plus 8B. If I bring 3B square on the left hand side, it becomes 3B square, and I think it will be minus 15B by 2 is equal to 0. Yeah. So here we get B to be equal to 15 upon 6. Also we can write this as 5 by 2. Now from equation 1, C comes out to be 3 and already A is 2. So that perimeter which we are looking for will be 2 plus 5 by 2 plus 3. If I take LCM as 2, so 4 plus 5 9, 9 plus 6 15 upon 2. So that perimeter should be 15 by 2 for this question. So this is the answer, the B is the answer. So this completes the solution for this question. Thank you so much. Stay tuned for more such solutions. Bye.